Welcome back. I restored the jukebox. Is an NSM ES160 Festival. In a previous video I showed you that it was broken, but I repaired it. So what I basically did, I will open it up just to show you what's inside. So there is an Arduino Mega board. Thinking this is a concept I created in 2017 with a relay function. It activates the carriage. It counts the position where it is. It's using all original wiring, so I can still hook up the original board if I want to, but this one's faulty. It's still giving me a coin acceptor error. I have to figure it out where it comes from. It's not related into this optic coin validator thingy. I don't know the word for it, but it's not faulty over there. So it must be on the board somewhere. That's still something, but I can't find it for now. But I use the original wiring. See it? I connected little jumper wires to it, so I can easily redo it. And the position of the carriage is done by a quadrature situation on the Arduino. So in fact there are two LEDs that's become like a sluice function, and then it knows where the carriage goes to. It goes from 0 1 0 1 0 1 to there, or inverted to the other side. So that's how it hooks up. That's my files I printed over the years, all the information I've done on it so far. So I changed all the capacitors on the original amplifier board. I put in aftermarket splicers, in fact, for the tweeters, the mid-tone and the woofers that's on the bottom of it. Before it was connected through a series of capacitors just inside here, capacitor and resistors, in fact, to reduce some frequency tones to different speakers, but I left that out for now. But it's functioning, so I will close it back up for now, like that. Say you want to play a record, like the first record will be that one 279, because it counts from back to front. So it's just 279. Click. Well, it grabs the first record. In fact, the last record for me. There's this one. I'll save us. I'll turn it a bit lower so you can hear my voice. So when it's terminated, it will go all the way back. But I have created some functions on it, like you press 999. It will play all records one by one. So I will disable the record. There's a button on the back to in fact disable the card. And that's the LP that's playing, and it grabs automatically the next track, 278. You can see it, so it's descending. And like that it can play all the records from back to front. So it will go through all the LPs, in fact, and then go straight home when it's all finished. I don't think someone will ever use this function, but it's integrated. To cancel it, you press 999 again, and the all things turn off, and it can go back home. So it's still playing this record. Well, I will turn off the record again. Now you can see that the charge will go all the way to the left, then resets. That's their system, in fact. Well, it knows it was there. It will go back to its home position. There's a little switch. It's originally there. It's an original end switch. So now it can reselect, in fact, an LP. I've also created a hit function. So a hit is, in fact, the pre-programmed songs that we often want to hear. So the first song is my marriage song, and yeah, it's like that. I think it was a hit function to activate it, but which you press, I can put a hit function for once, voila. Oh, it's empty, 255. Okay, you can, on this button, you can select in fact the tracks that are in program, but there's nothing in there. Perhaps I once resetted it. Turn it off. One hit should create playlist. It's 9 tracks in queue. That's the one. So on the first hit selector, I will turn it off again. I will repeat the process so you can all follow. 999. If I do all, and then if a 999 to quit all, I will turn it back off. Apparently, someone erased or done something to remove the hit function. I will reprogram it. It can all be done on the keypad itself. Yeah. So if we press now, it was still loaded. What is still loaded? No, 100. Now it's going to 100. Yeah, that's my first one. What is that? That's good. Yeah, that's my song. So if you press the hit function, no, the select button, you can see the next track is 108, 109, 110, 140, 121, 122, 24, 26, and back to 100. So that's correct. It's still in progress. The 8 songs are still there. I think you have to press hit again to erase. Yeah, hit again to erase. Yeah, it's been a long time since I programmed it, so I'm doing this from memory. Going back, it works quite well. So the second digit is in fact the steps where it's in. So 0 for doing nothing, 1 for play, I thought, 1 for searching, 2 or 3 for play, and then again to go home or end of record or something. That digit is in fact for me a digit to verify what the system is doing. It's not needed. That's the track in song, the songs in the list. So you can push in multiple songs at once. It will increase in fact the number. It's limited to 9 for the moment. So you can only put 9 in the list. If you put now 2 hit, it will play a different set of songs. It's the one hit begins at song 100. Second hit begins at 144. What is 144? It's San Miguel Villaturo. Okay, it's correct. Voilà. Then to program, to go into programming mode. What was it again? 900. 000 perhaps? 000. No, it's not programming mode. What was again to enter 901 to enter programming mode? 901. 901 is programming mode. So position 0 is in fact the hit function, I believe. So if you go, you say it's okay, you push that, and now it's waiting for a song, I believe. 100, let me check. Or hit was the exit button? Yeah, hit was the exit button. Oh, not like that. What was it again? I have to select 0, in fact, perhaps first time. Let me cancel this. It's cancelled. It was 901. Oh yeah, 901. 901 is a first playlist. 900 was, I don't know. 900 was not 900. 901. Position 0, and now you have to input songs, I believe. Well, let's not do that. Let's put in 909 just to, that's 909 is an error function. 908 also error function. So it was in fact 902. No, so in fact it's now it's 901 to enter programming mode. Program 0. Let's say we want to program playlist 7. And then a song, 200. Yeah, it's like that. 200, click. So it's accepted. It's now in playlist 7. First song is loaded. So you press 201 for the second song. I'm just pushing some numbers in. 203 for the third song. 204. You always hear the relay just to to let you know it accepted the programming mode. Where was I? 2.0. Can I see what I've programmed now? Have I done that? No, that I haven't introduced in this menu. 2.05. Okay, let's keep it like that. So this is all we need at playlist 7. Hit function. Okay, now we press 7 hit. It will commence at 200. Yeah, it's loaded. So like that you can easily program playlists if you want in different, you can program 9 playlists. Voila, it's 200. We can see it in fact, we can see it if you push here, 200, 201, 203, 204, 205 we have programmed, and there's this 255 because yeah, that's the empty bank. So it's normal in binary code. We cancel it again. It loads 8 songs, but yeah, it's only 5 programmed in the menu. It goes back home. It's in the end position 5, and it resets to 201, the next song that we programmed. So like that we revived a very old jukebox that was in fact completely destroyed. Even the speakers were all missing. The panel was completely broke. I've redone that. The speakers were missing. LED display was faulty. There's still some cosmetic stuff to redo. So I need in fact once a 3D scanner of some sort to fix the corner. But hey, I have a jukebox. So everything you can do with your hands, it's technically possible to do, to repair or find a solution for old electronics. So if you need my help, please contact me and we will see what we can do for you. Thank you for watching this video.